When it comes to filming your epic adventures, GoPros are pretty much the bee's knees. But let's be real, they can put a serious dent in your wallet. Luckily, some sneaky competitors have come up with their own action cams that offer many of the same features for a fraction of the cost. Some of these bad boys even put GoPro's designs to shame with their innovative and slick designs. In this video, we'll be checking out some of the best GoPro alternatives that will help you capture all your cliff jumping, wave shredding, skydiving moments without leaving your bank account gasping for air. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. AKASO V50X, our pick for best cheap GoPro alternative. So, you've got the itch for some adrenaline-pumping, heart-racing action, huh? Well, look no further than the AKASO V50X action camera. This budget-friendly option may not have the same flashy brand name as GoPro or DJI, but it still packs a punch. Let's start with the basics. The V50X is light as a feather, so you won't even notice it's strapped to your helmet. Plus, the protective shell included ensures that it will last through all your epic wipeouts and stumbles. And if you're feeling adventurous enough to take the camera down into the deep blue, the waterproof casing lets you take it to depths of 131 feet. Now, let's talk about the trade-offs. As with any budget option, you won't have the same range of fancy features as the more expensive models. The V50X is limited to a max frame rate of 60 FPS in 1080p and only 30 frames per second in 4K. What sets the V50X apart from other cheap GoPro knockoffs is that it allows you to change the field of view. So, whether you're skiing down double black diamonds or recording your buddy's epic surf wipeout, you'll have all the flexibility you need. All in all, the V50X is a solid option for anyone looking to capture their wildest adventures without breaking the bank. Number 4. Insta360 GO 2, our pick for best portable GoPro alternative. Hey you! Yeah, you with the adventurous spirit and the constant wanderlust. We know you love to document all your rock climbing, bungee jumping, and skydiving shenanigans. That's why we're giving you the inside scoop on the tiniest action camera ever made, the Insta360 GO 2. This little guy may not look like your typical action cam, but its oval shape makes it easy to stick in any nook and cranny, whether it's attached to your shirt with the magnetic clip pendant or nestled in your palm. Plus, the horizon lock feature and stabilization make sure that your footage doesn't look like a crazy earthquake simulation. But wait, there's more. You can access a whole bunch of cool features through the Insta360 app, like editing tools, filters, and unique shooting modes. It's like having a mini post-production studio in your pocket, or technically in your camera. Sure, it may not support crazy high resolutions like its GoPro brethren, but it's perfect for making those quick on-the-go vlogs and adventure videos that are all the rage these days. And let's be real, its unequaled portability more than makes up for it. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself the Insta360 GO 2 and start capturing all your thrilling escapades like a pro. Still searching for the perfect GoPro alternative? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. AKASO Brave 7 LE, our pick for best budget GoPro alternative. Are you dreaming about vlogging your travels but your wallet won't cooperate? Fear not, my penny-pinching pal, because the AKASO Brave 7 LE is here to save the day. Sure, it may not have the same luxurious feel as the fancier DJI Osmo Action, but it still gets the job done. Plus, it comes with a cool front-facing live view screen, so you can always make sure your hair looks perfect when filming yourself. And don't worry, there are still plenty of mounting accessories to choose from in the box. One of the best things about the AKASO Brave 7 LE is that it comes with a protective case that allows you to take it underwater up to 131 feet deep. That's deep enough to find Nemo, for crying out loud. And even without the case, this little camera can still withstand being submerged for about 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. What about video quality, you ask? Well, despite its 1.6x cut, the Acaso Brave 7 LE tackles camera shake like a champ with its video stabilization feature. The only downside is that your video options are limited to 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p from 30 FPS to 120 frames per second. But hey, who needs more than that, right? All in all, the Acaso Brave 7 LE is the perfect, affordable solution for all the broke but brave adventurers out there. Trust us, it won't disappoint. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3, our pick for best premium GoPro alternative. Looking for a camera that won't give up on you when things get rough and tough? Look no further than the Osmo Action 3, the perfect balance between quality and cost for all your adrenaline-pumping needs. This powerhouse of a camera can handle anything and everything you throw at it. From extreme temperatures to rough terrain, the Osmo Action 3 has got your back. And let's talk about that stabilized 4K footage. Simply jaw-dropping. Sure, it's not the cheapest option out there, but it won't empty your wallet like our pal GoPro would. Plus, you won't have to sign up for a pesky subscription after a year. The modular concept may have taken a back seat, but that's okay. The Osmo Action 3 is more capable and manageable. With the exception of a slightly increased size and weight, this baby beats GoPro in every department. Action-packed films need to be smooth, and the Osmo Action 3 truly delivers. EIS? On point. Horizon balancing? A dream. Rock steady? You betcha. And let's not forget the sweet 120 frames per second at 4K resolution. Basically, this camera is an absolute beast. Who needs subscription software? Am I right? The Osmo Action 3 lets you breathe easy and enjoy pure, uninterrupted filming. The only limit is your imagination. So go ahead, let your inner daredevil loose and capture it all with the Osmo Action 3. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Action 2, our pick for best GoPro alternative. Have you heard of the DJI Action 2? Oh wait, let me rephrase that. Have you heard of the DJI Action 2 that caused GoPro to sit up and take notice? Yep, that's right, the GoPro rival. Let me tell you about this camera that redefines the design of a GoPro-style camera. Its tiny 39 by 39mm square camera can connect to other modules, such as connectivity, battery life, and a vlogging screen using a magnetic clip. Its modular design matches the Hero 8 and later, while its cuboid body reminds us of the old GoPro session days. Ah, memories. What is also impressive is its bigger 1/1, 7-inch sensor, and exceptional picture stabilization settings. Don't worry about horizons looking like mountain peaks, because it has a horizon leveler. The DJI Action 2 is just around the size of a GoPro, even when coupled with another device. But here's the best part. The front touchscreen attachment, perfectly matched to the main camera unit, makes vlogging feel like you're just talking to friends. Control it through the touchscreen. It's a little limited by the size of the main camera unit, but who cares when you're capturing breathtaking footage? So to end this on a high note, the DJI Action 2 isn't just a GoPro Hero camera replacement, but it's certainly a worthy rival. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best GoPro alternatives. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which best GoPro alternative you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.